Ready na?
Hey, Mariam, please introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Carmen Ruiz. I can winner this quiz but ask. I can donate this green food to Radio Yolanda. Thank you.
Next. Next, Jenny Nessa.
Hi, I'm Jane Panetta, and I think that I'm going to winner this because I can have my family, I can donate, and also I can have the children. So that is thank you.
Okay, okay.
Tiny.
Tiny, please, what's your talent?
Dancing kami lahat ni Alex.
Okay, dance.
Kissing. Are you ready? Bap, alo. Bap, 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 yes. Bap, 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 yes. Ayo, ayo. Ay. Whoop, kitty, whoop. Eto na ang TV. Whoop, kitty, whoop. Handang lumaban. Say heart, say whoop. Kitty, whoop. Di pa patalo. Our hate whoop, kitty, will be safe.
Okay.
Boom, panis. Boom, panis. Boom, panis. Boom, panis. Boom. Baba, boom. Go. Boom. Baba, boom. Fight. Win. Baba, boom. Go. Green team. Super active. We are always on goal. So good. Green team, manalo, matalo, yun pa rin kami. Manalo, matalo, yun pa rin kami. Go Green team! Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, Jamie. And next, Jane Hanessa, please. What's your talent?
Thank you.
Okay, sing. What's your sing? Let's go. Okay, start now.
The wind is howling like the whirling stormy sky. What is it? Heavy no tide. Don't let them sleep. Be the good girl you always have to be. Don't let them know. Well, now they know. Let it go. Can't hold me back anymore. Thank you.
Okay. Palakpakan. Okay, question. Kindly, please stand up, please. Please stand up. Oh, nabubulong na po yung judges. Okay, now, pwedeng Tagalog yung sagot mo, Pag nanalo ka sa contest, anong gagawin mo at bakit?
Iipunin ko at ibibili ko yun ang pagkalit. Ibibili ko yun sa mga pinunta ng Bagong Yolanda. Wow.
Okay, next. Kylie. Okay. Siguro, ikaw na ang Miss Universe Philippines. Ano ang pwede mong maitulong? At ano ang pwede mong mabigay sa mga tao na siya ay kakatuwa nila?
Okay? Iwan ko mga pictures ng mga food, tsaka i-video ko sila sa bahay.
Okay. Okay. Now, magkano kayong dalawa?
Dalawang picture.